participate in the collaboration, the yellow and purple. I use yellow plates and quilted placemats. I use lacy napkins, and I use offset silverware, glasses, wine and water, yellow plates, and little accessories that enhance this tablescape. The tablescape is beautiful with beautiful yellow florals. These are florals that I got out the garden. These are natural leaves I added to this little teapot to make a wonderful floral arrangement. It came out very nice. I love the little accessories that have round about to make this table excellent and perfect to accommodate your guests. This tablescape is a country look.